Okay, so for today's activity, we're going to be talking about improper fractions and mixed number fractions or equivalents. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you a fraction. Oh, before that, we actually need to review some vocabulary. Okay, so we have been talking about the word equivalent a lot. What does that word mean again?
Equal.
Yes, equal. And then when we're talking about the top number of a fraction, is that the numerator or the denominator?
Numerator.
Numerator. So that means the bottom number is what?
The denominator?
Yes, good job. So then now we're going to be talking about improper fraction. And an improper fraction is when the numerator, the number is bigger than the denominator.
Okay.
Which actually means it's greater than 1. Okay? So then here I have 5/4, 5 over 4, and this is an improper fraction, okay? And I am going to show you this with these cards here, okay? So let's pretend, so if I have 5 of these 1/4, that means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and an extra piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what I can do here is actually, I can choose this to be 1 whole,
okay?
And that means I have an extra 1/4. So what that would look like in writing is this. 1 and 1 over 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay, now we're going to look at a mixed number. Okay, we need to change this mixed number to an improper fraction. So here I have 1, 2 over 5. And this is a mixed number, and let's see how that would look with our pieces. Okay, so I have 1 whole right here, and 2, 1, 2 of our 1 over 5 pieces, right? So that means, how do I write that to an improper fraction? And that means I have to count all of my pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many pieces?
7.
So that means I will just write it like this. 7 over 5. Okay. Okay, so then our next fraction is right here. Can you tell me what this fraction is? Or read the fraction first.
4/3.
Yes. Would this be an improper fraction or a mixed number?
Mixed number?
Actually, if you remember, a mixed number, we have a whole number, remember one number and then a fraction?
Improper fraction.
Yeah, so this would be an improper fraction. So, let's see how that looks here.
So I would have 3 of my 1/3, and then that'd be 1, 2, 3. But I did 2 more.
Well, 3 plus how many equals 4?
1.
1. So actually just 1 more, right?
Okay, yeah.
So how many in total is that?
So in total that's 4, but that would be 1 whole and 1/3. So would it be 1 and 1/3?
Yeah, can you write that down for me?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, next example is this here. We have 1 and 3, 4. Would this be an improper fraction or a mixed number?
Mixed number.
Yes, good job. So, well, first let's decide how would this look like in using these pieces here. So, what do you think?
I would have 1 whole 1 and then 3 1/4.
Yes, good job. So now we need to write this as an improper fraction. So let's count how many pieces we have.
7.
Yeah, good job. So how would we write that?
7 over 4, 7/4.
Yes, good job. And remember, how do we know it's an improper fraction?
Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Good job. All right, we will do more practice with this worksheet.